Hi peachies, welcome back to Dear Peachie. Have you heard of the first sight makeup look? This makeup look has become a major trend on social media in China. If you're not familiar with this style, it involves creating a makeup look that is intended to capture attention and make a memorable impression at first glance. Essentially, it's a way of using makeup to create a natural-looking, elegant and unforgettable appearance that will leave a lasting impact on anyone who sees it. In our video today, we are excited to introduce you to LiuXing, a rising star in the Chinese makeup influencer community who we found on XiaoHongShu. LiuXing has a unique approach to achieving the first-glance beauty look that we think you'll love, and her tutorial for this look has reached 64,000 likes on her XiaoHongShu. LiuXing is well known not only for her impressive makeup skills but also for the high-quality videos she produces. Her fans adore the fact that she films her tutorials using a 4K HD camera, which allows viewers to see every detail of the makeup application process. This results in a highly realistic and immersive experience, enabling viewers to truly achieve the desired makeup look. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some tips from LiuXing to help you achieve your perfect first-glance beauty look. Let's get started. Before starting with her makeup, LiuXing always makes sure to prepare her skin with her usual skincare routine. For today's look, LiuXing wants to achieve a straighter brow shape, so she starts by shading the lower edge of her brow tail to make it appear less arched. If you are new to using a shaver, LiuXing recommends using tweezers or seeking assistance from someone experienced to avoid any mishaps. Next, she trims the upper rim of her brows to clean up the edges. However, LiuXing notes that she should have done this before her skincare routine, as the stray brow hairs are now sticking to her face. If you have dry skin like her, it is essential to moisturize any dry patches on your face before applying foundation. She suggests using a hydrating lotion or serum to moisturize areas such as the nose, cheeks, and mouth corners that tend to get creased easily. She advises gently rubbing in the serum to ensure it is absorbed into the skin without leaving a greasy appearance that could affect the appearance of your foundation. LiuXing also recommends using the same lotion or serum to remove any makeup fallout in specific areas. This will help to clean up the area and enable your foundation to stay put better after touching up. Moving on to the next step, it's time to apply concealer. LiuXing begins by using the classic technique of applying a salmon shade concealer to color-correct dark circles under the eyes. She gently dabs a thin layer of the concealer under her eyes and blends the edges using a flat concealer brush for a seamless finish. Next, LiuXing uses a darker shade of concealer to color-correct any redness caused by acne marks or rashes. She applies the concealer with her fingers, then blends it out with the brush for a natural look. LiuXing points out that by simply color correcting with a skin tone concealer, the majority of discoloration on your skin can be corrected, resulting in a much more even complexion. Moving on to foundation, LiuXing has chosen to use the Joocyee Doll Traceless Cloud Cream Foundation for this look. She raves about the foundation's staying power and its ability to refine her skin's texture, thanks to its easily spreadable and blendable formula. To apply the foundation, LiuXing recommends spreading it out on the back of your hand, then dabbing a thin and even layer onto the center of your cheek. She then pats it out using a cushion puff to achieve a skin-like effect. LiuXing explains that the Joocyee Doll Cream Foundation has hydrating formulas that provide a dewy finish to the skin. For this reason, she suggests using a dry cushion puff to achieve the desired effect. Make sure to repeat the same step for the entire face while applying the foundation, and remember to always apply a thin amount in multiple layers for the best effect. LiuXing emphasizes that with the right techniques and products, you can definitely achieve the coveted your skin but better effect, which is perfect for a natural and effortless look. If you prefer a more airy and lightweight look, LiuXing recommends looking into cream foundations with lighter formulas instead of long-staying formulas. These are more suitable and wearable for everyday outings such as meeting friends or going to work, as they don't look cakey or heavy on the skin. However, since these foundations provide lower coverage, those with blemish-prone skin may need to touch up with a bit of concealer on those areas after applying foundation for a clean and flawless look. LiuXing is using a finger puff to apply the cream concealer directly to the acne marks that weren't fully covered by the foundation. She recommends gently patting the center of the blemish and blending out the edges for a more natural appearance. Additionally, you can apply a small amount of concealer to your tear troughs to highlight this area. Finally, set your base with a setting spray or setting powder. LiuXing realizes that she has forgotten to apply foundation to the side of her face, so she quickly applies the remaining product to her jaw area. She dabs out the foundation and pats it evenly over the region, ensuring that there are no harsh lines or patches. LiuXing is opting for a straighter brow look, so she is filling in the end of her brows to make them appear higher. She begins by filling in the front of her brows with upward strokes. Next, she fills in the upper region of her brows to complete the shape. To elongate her brow, she extends a longer tail from the lower rim of her brow. She brushes her brows with a spoolie for a natural, bushy boy brow look. LiuXing notices that the end of her brow doesn't look right now and she might fix it later. LiuXing is extending the end of her brow and combing it with the spoolie. However, she noticed that the tail of her brow seems to be disconnected from the rest, so she is going to draw a few strokes of fake brow hair using a fine liquid eyeliner. She prefers to use a brown one because it looks less harsh than black. To set her brows in place, she sprays hairspray on the spoolie and brushes it upward to achieve that bushy boy brow look. If you have any brow gel product, it will work just as well. If you really want to go all out with the bushy brow look, you can add more strokes underneath the lower rim of your brows using a liquid liner. Next, the contour. To begin contouring, take an angled contour brush and your favorite contour powder. The purpose of contouring is to create a smoother outline and to add definition and structure to your facial features. Start by applying the contour powder to the highest point of your cheekbones, then sweep it along your jawline. Blend it inward to create the illusion of a more narrow face shape. LiuXing notes that everyone's face is unique, and contouring can help create the illusion of symmetry and enhance certain features. She applies a little bit more contour to this side since her cheekbone is more protruded at this side. However, it is important to remember that contouring is optional and personal preference should always be prioritized. Moving on to nose contouring, LiuXing is going for a natural straight nose look. To achieve this, she starts by applying contour with an angled brush at the groove that connects her brows to her nose root. Then, she blends the shadows downwards to the nose bridge and inwards to create a narrow nose bridge illusion. It is important to go in with a light hand and build up the contour gradually with a few layers for the best effect. At the nose tip, she fills in a V-shaped shadow at the sides of the nose tip to achieve a pointy nose look. For the nosolar, she adds a little shadow to the sides to bring the shadow inwards for a more forward-projecting appearance. To apply the contour more precisely, she switches to a finer flat brush and blends out the edges of the shadow. Finally, she repeats the same steps for the other side. For a more natural look for her eyes, LiuXing prefers using eyeshadows with less vibrant colors. She starts by applying the lightest shade from her eyeshadow palette, which is a beige-white shade, all over her upper eyelid to even out the color. Then, she picks up the muted light pink shade and applies it to the lid area close to her lashes, slowly blending the shadow upwards to cover the entire lid. Don't forget to apply the eyeshadow to the lower lid area as well. For this, she switches to a smaller brush and takes the darkest shade, which is a warm brown shade, to layer it at the outer corner of her upper lid. This helps to give more definition to her eyes. She also applies the same shade along the outer lower lash line. This creates a very subtle look that enhances her natural beauty. So easy that we bet any one of you can also do it. To accentuate her eyes, LiuXing applies a shimmery shade on the inner corner of her lid. Although she feels that it might be too shiny for her look today, nevertheless, you can always opt for a shimmery shade that gives a subtler shine. For her eyeliner, LiuXing wants a thicker liner. First, she uses a flat angled brush with a deep brown eyeshadow to trace out the shape of the eyeliner. She extends and lifts the end slightly for a natural wing look. After that, she traces the same eyeliner shape using a liquid liner. Starting from the middle of her iris, she extends it to her outer corner. She then uses a gel liner to connect the eyeliner for the inner corner. In this step, LiuXing is using a double lid sticker, which is optional, to create a wider double lid space and enhance the effect of the eyeliner. It's important to adjust the length of the liner to make sure it looks best with the sticker. She then uses the same brown eyeshadow as before to apply along the lower lash line, which helps to widen the eye and create more depth. To further define the eyes, LiuXing uses the gel liner to trace along the lower lash line and adds some fake strokes of lashes with liquid liner. She curls her lashes with a lash curler and chooses some natural-looking falsies to apply. To make them blend with her natural lashes, she applies a few coats of mascara on both the falsies and her real lashes. She laughs because this subtle makeup look is getting more heavy-looking as she goes on. For lower lashes, she switched to a mascara with a smaller wand. Using the flat angled brush, she fills in the XiaoHongShu shadow. Finally, for blush, she is using a warm muted coral shade at the side of her cheeks for the natural flush look. Don't worry if you accidentally applied too much blush like what LiuXing did here. You can always save it with the loose powder to even it out. Find a highlighter with subtle glow, dab it to your nose tip and inner corner. Finally, let's move on to the lips. LiuXing will use two different lip shades to complete her makeup look. She first applies the nude shade all over her lower lip and half of her upper lip. Then, she dabs the red bean paste shade onto the inner region of her lips and smudges it out with her fingers. After that, she applies the red bean paste shade evenly on her upper lip. To create a smiling lip effect, she uses a mauve shade lip liner. Simply fill in a short line at the corner of your lips and connect it to the outer edge of the upper lid, so the lip corner will look more lifted. LiuXing's beauty is truly mesmerizing. Every feature on her face is refined and balanced, creating a harmonious overall look. We can't help but feel inspired to try out all the products she used to achieve this stunning makeup look. Indeed, LiuXing's makeup look is both subtle and captivating. Her choice of colors and techniques have resulted in a harmonious and natural-looking appearance that accentuates her features without overwhelming them. Kudos to LiuXing for her skills and creativity, and we hope others can learn from her techniques to create their own unique and beautiful looks. Would you like to try this look yourself? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.